Nathan's channel. Today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies.
Are you ready?
Yeah. The ingredients are sugar, milk, oil, eggs,
Baking powder.
baking powder, and chocolate.
Nathan, what are the ingredients, Nathan? Nathan.
Now we're gonna mix baking powder and
Flour and salt.
and salt.
Go ahead, guys.
Okay.
Everything, anak.
Got a better idea.
Nathan, not the sugar yet. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Put it back, put it back. Balik mo muna yung sugar. And
Salt.
2 pinches of salt.
What?
2 pinches. Mimi will help you. No, not everything, anak. Yan, get 1/2 teaspoon. Yan. Second teaspoon. Baking powder kay Mimi.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Mix it.
Hey!
1 teaspoon. So you mix it? Mix muna, Nathan. Later pang egg. Mix first.
This is our dry ingredients. Set aside for now. The other ingredients.
Nathan, you mix with the sugar. Wait, not with that one.
All of it?
Yeah. Slowly. When you mix. Slowly, not slowly. Then the milk also. And then the egg. Crack it first, Nathan. It didn't be hard. Crack it harder, pa. Crack, Nathan, crack. I'm gonna help you.
Almost. I feel it.
Sabo. Wait lang. Mix it. Get the shell.
That was super, nutty daddy.
Okay, wash your hands first.
Don't hurt the Okay, that's it. Ganito. Guys.
Dito mo ilalagay.
Now let's mix the wet ingredients and the
Dry.
dry ingredients.
Nico.
Here comes Nathan.
How about Nathan's turn? You put this one there.
Oh, it's nice. We're done mixing. Now just put it inside fridge
Four?
for 20 minutes.
Okay. How about Nathan? Not yet. Huh?
No.
Nathan, are you done?
No. I fix it.
Eventually.
Hot pa?
Fish, mommy. Cookies. Bang bang.
Try it now. Init pa.
Kulang pa sa ano. Muna, baka tinapon mo yung natirang baking powder.
Delicious.
How was it, Nathan?
Baka kulang pa yung
Good.
Really?
How was it?
Good.
Good. Yummy?